Cue the suspense because we're diving into the world of alligators. First up, Florida. Home to over 1 million of these scaly giants, it's no surprise this state tops the list. Next, we have Louisiana. With its vast swamplands, it's a prime hideout for these fascinating creatures. Third in line is Georgia. Despite its peachy reputation, it's a hotspot for alligator sightings. Coming up fourth, we have Texas. Everything is bigger there, including their alligator population. Last but not least, South Carolina. Its coastal marshes are a favorite among the alligator community. Remember, these states are not just where alligators live, they're also where they thrive. So if you're an enthusiast, these are the states to watch. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.